Yeah. Life and death on these corners. Some pray. Only the strong ride through the smoke. Sirens sing lullaby, over cracks the myth. Young souls die, where the rent got spent. Mama cried tears in the one-room flat, while the devil sold dreams where the dope boy sat. I seen angels fall in the alleyways. Bullets write scripture in 1,000 ways. Cold nights, no heat, hunger in the chest. Every day felt like a war zone test. Dead homies riding my rearview mirror. Success came close, but the grave sat nearer. Raised with murder, got a melody too. And survival was religion when the sky ain't blue.
Dead homies in the rearview,
calling my name, riding through hell, but I still maintain concrete paradise soaked in pain, trying not to let the darkness claim my brain.
dead homies in the rearview,
Watching me rise through smoke clouds under bloodshot skies, still chasing light where the hope blind dies. In the gangster's paradise. Baseline sinister, black coupe creeping, nightmares alive while the city ain't sleeping. Chrome on the curb with revenge in the trunk. Every block smell like liquor and skunk. Judge gave years, streets gave scars. Some got buried, some became stars. Used to count cracks in abandoned walls. Now I count ghosts when the sunset falls. I don't rap fairy tales, this obituary flow. Born where the reaper and ambition both grow. Dre drums hit hard like a riot outside. Coolio pain in the way I confide. Tell me how we live holy in a world so cursed. How we drink success.
when we taste it there, still we rise, still we survive.
Now the beat turn evil, let the darkness breathe. Truth cut deep like a blade in the sleeves. Raised by wolves where the weak got ate. With one wrong move, put your name on the gate. Enemies plotting, but my soul don't break. Pressure make kings when the whole earth shake. I made an empire out pain and sin with dead men whispering beneath my skin. No fake flex, this apocalypse rap. Street profit voice over chronic slap. When the kick drum hit, make the whole hood quake. This for every lost life the system take.
Dead homies in the rearview,
Ride with me still, through gun smoke nights and the blood money bills.
tryna climb out.
The valley of kill, but the devil on the block wants another deal.
Dead homies in the rearview,
Hear them cry, West Coast angels under violent skies. Still hold strong to the day I die. Living in a gangster's paradise. Life, death, same boulevard, same war. Only legends survive.